Hello, Excellians! We are back today with a pretty simple video for you, but only if you already know your nouns. Before we begin, don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons below to keep following me and my grammar knowledge. Today, we're going to learn about attributive nouns, also known as noun adjuncts or qualifying nouns. But don't worry about the lingo, it's the most difficult part of the whole video. You probably already know that a noun is a person, place, or thing, such as flower, candy, or morning. But did you know that nouns can be something other than nouns? I know, crazy, right? In fact, they can be adjectives. When a noun is used as an adjective to modify another noun, it's called an attributive noun. Let's see how the nouns we mentioned can function as adjectives. The flower girl walked in front of the bride, throwing rose petals down the aisle. In this sentence, the noun flower is used to modify the noun girl, making it an adjective or an attributive noun. Pretty simple, right? Now let's see another example. Bobby gazed around the candy store, unable to decide what to buy. As you can see, candy in this sentence is an attributive noun because it's describing the type of store Bobby is in. Now let's see how the noun morning can change into an adjective. Chris and Neil breathed the fresh morning air before setting out on their hike. In this sentence, you'll notice that air is modified by two adjectives, morning, the attributive noun, and fresh, which is the type of adjective you're probably used to. And that's all there is to it, Excellians. Even though grammar may sound difficult sometimes, don't be afraid to give it the old college try. And also don't be afraid to hit those like and subscribe buttons below. See you next time!